Hi, welcome back to Redline Race Day. Today we're going to go back in time and look at the strip action set from 1968. Included in the strip action set is 10 feet of hot strip track, 5 joiners, 1 universal clamp, a Hot Wheels car with collector's button, an instruction sheet, and lastly, the International Collector's Catalog. After I assemble the track, I'll be racing the Python from 1968. Its color, Spectre Flame Red, with a black roof. Now it's time to put the hot strip track together and race the car. Now that it's done, let's get out the universal clamp and connect it to this old chair. I'll now connect the hot strip track to the universal clamp. One clip is for single lane racing and the side ones are for dual lane racing. What's a track without a hill? Let's put these old books underneath. Fun fact, the bottom book was released in 1968. It's 2001: A Space Odyssey. And it's been in most of my videos. All right, the track is set up. The car's going into position. Let's race. And what's a race without a freeze frame? There it is. All right. Thanks for joining me on Redline Race Day today, folks. Hope you had a good time. I'll see you next race.